Listen carefully. This isn't motivation. This is a warning. 2026 is not some future year waiting politely for you to be ready. It's already judging you based on what you're doing right now. And here's the ugly truth. Most of you are walking into 2026 with the exact same habits, the same excuses, the same weak routine, just older. You keep telling yourself, I'll start next month. I'll lock in after this phase. Things will slow down soon. They won't. Time doesn't care about your plans. It only records your actions. Right now, every lazy morning, every skipped workout, every hour wasted scrolling, every promise you break to yourself, that's data. And 2026 is built on that data. Let me make this uncomfortable. If you can't control your sleep right now, you won't magically be disciplined in 2026. If you can't focus for 60 minutes today, you won't suddenly become sharp next year. If you keep avoiding hard work now, your future won't be easier. It'll be heavier because responsibilities compound, regret compounds, missed chances compound. People think time fixes things. It doesn't. Time exposes things. By 2026, the gap between people who locked in and people who delayed will be obvious, painfully obvious. You'll see it in income, in confidence, in health, in how people treat you, in how you treat yourself. And no, talent won't save you. Motivation won't save you. Luck won't save you. Only habits will. Here's a fact nobody likes to hear. Your future is already predictable. Look at your daily routine. That's your destiny preview. If your days are chaotic, your future will be unstable. If your days are disciplined, your future will be controlled. There is no mystery. Another uncomfortable fact. Most people don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they live like time is unlimited. It's not. You are not early in life. You are not too young. You are not figuring things out. You are trading days for comfort. And comfort is expensive. It costs you your future. By the time 2026 arrives, nobody will care why you didn't start. Nobody will care what you were dealing with. Nobody will care how hard it felt. Results don't accept excuses. Reality doesn't negotiate. You will either arrive stronger or arrive embarrassed. And here's the part that should hit the hardest. 2026 won't ask you what you wanted. It will only show you what you earned. Earned through boring days, through lonely discipline, through saying no when it was easier to say yes, through doing the work when nobody was watching. And if you keep living like today, doesn't matter. 2026 will be brutal.